Hey, what's up guys, I'm back with another video. It's time to do unbox the Oppo A6s Pro. And guys, and this is a new high-end mid-range phone that we have from Oppo, and this phone is costing around 1 lakh PKR here in the Pakistan market. So in this price range we have 8 GB of RAM with a 256 GB of internal storage, and also in the color I have Lumina Forest color, and this phone is also manufactured in Pakistan. And on this side we have some more specification. We have a 50 megapixel ultra wide selfie camera on the front. We also have a 6 years of which is a fluency protection. We have a 7000 mAh battery size, which is absolutely massive. Also we have 80-watt fast charging. We also have IP69K water and dust resistance. So very excited to see what is Oppo has to offer in this Oppo A6s Pro. And this phone, I would say it is a bit overpriced. This phone should be under 80,000 PKR, but anyways, so now let's open this box. So on the top we have mini box. So inside this box we have our suggestion tool, and also we have our quick start guide as well as a warranty card stuff. We also have a silicone case, which is a transparent one, not a hard case. We have soft case. So here is the Oppo A6s Pro, Oppo A6s Pro in the forest color. So here is the Lumina Forest color looks like. As you can see on the back we have a matte finish. Also you can see on the back we have trees. So on the back we have dual cameras. We have a 50 megapixel main camera, and then we have 2 megapixel which is a depth sensor. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. Let's see what else we get. And then the phone, as expected, we have a charger in the box. We have 80-watt super fast charger, and also we have our cable, and which is a USB type C to USB A cable, as you can see. So that's about it inside the box. And the good thing is that we have a charger in the box, which is also a really good thing these days. Now this is a physical overview. So on the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, main microphone, as well as our SIM tray. So you can see we also have a micro SD card support. So it is a full-fledged SIM slot. We have a rubber gasket. So on the left hand side absolutely nothing. On the top we have another microphone, looks like. We have another speaker or eye blaster. We have another speaker. On the right hand side, volume up and volume down rocker with a power on button. It is on the right hand side. So now let's talk about the display. So this phone has a 6.5 inch over Full HD plus AMOLED, which can produce up to 1 billion colors. Also we have 120 Hz refresh rate. We also have 1400 nits of high brightness. We have a center punch hole on the top. Overall and the bottom unit is also really small. And guys, there is the first boot of the Oppo A6s Pro. So here all the pre-installed apps, hot apps and hot games, it is already installed once again. So now let's see the max brightness. So here is the max brightness looks like, and the display I would say looks really bright. We don't have any issue at all. So here is the notification panel looks like, and we also have our NFC. So now let's go to the settings, and now let's go about device, and this one is running on latest Android 16, so which is a good thing. Android 16 out of the box. Also we have ColorOS version 16. We have a 256 GB of internal storage out of only we have a 19.9 GB it is already used. So now let's go back. Also this phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G100 Max SoC. This is the overclock version of the Helio G100 we have. So now let's see the fingerprint scanner. So here is the fingerprint scanner looks like, and the fingerprint scanner, it works absolutely fast. Now let's go to the display. So here is the refresh rate option. So we have 120 Hz refresh rate. Now let's look at the camera. So this one has a dual cameras on the back. So here is the main camera looks like, and the colors I would say looks really natural. So here is the video mode. Let's see video recording size. So the back camera maximum shoot, we have a 1080p at 60 fps maximum. We also have ultra steady mode, which give you a better video stabilization. So here is the pro mode. Here is the portrait, which is also available with the 2x in the mode section, and the night mode also available, and the time lapse, even the slow motion also available. Underwater feature also available. Here is a dual view video mode also available. So now let's look at the front facing camera. So this phone has a 50 megapixel selfie camera, which is the main highlight. So here's the normal, and here's the ultra wide, and the front facing camera I would say it is really wide, and the front facing camera also looks really wide and nice as well. So here is the video mode. On the front we also have a 1080p at 30 fps support. We also have a ultra steady mode with the front facing camera, and here is the portrait mode, and the night mode also available. So now let's talk about the battery size. Once again, this phone has a 7000 mAh battery size with 80-watt fast charging, and this phone definitely give you a 2 days of battery life on heavy use without any problem. And overall, I have to say regarding the Oppo A6s Pro, and this phone should be under 80,000 pkr, then I would say this phone it is more a worth it option, because the Helio G100 Max SoC, it is not even a 5G SoC. This one it is also not really fast as the Snapdragon 7s Gen 4 SoC that we have on the Infinix Note 60 Pro, which also comes in the same price tag. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Oppo A6s Pro. And do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.